Class 6 Learners. This is Social Studies and the lesson is the land of the dense forest. Climatic variations influence the lifestyle of people around the world. We shall study about 4 climatic regions, and there the equatorial forest regions and the regions lying in the equator. Number 2, the land of snow and ice, the polar regions. Number 3, hot desert regions, especially Saudi Arabia in Asia. 4, the grasslands, the prairies in North America. And now equatorial forest regions are 1. Congo Basin, Africa, Great Amazon Basin, South America. 3. Malaysia and the islands of South Asia. We will discuss about the Congo Basin. The Congo Basin lies in the heart of Africa. The Congo River, the second largest river, is located here. The map is here. You can find the location. Very high temperature and average temperature not less than 32 degrees Celsius. No winter is experienced throughout the year. That is, throughout the year temperature is high. Heavy downpour is seen practically every day. Every day there is rain and average rainfall more than 150 centimeters. Such climate supports the evergreen forest in this region. Animal life. These rainforests are the shelters of many animals like baboons, gorillas, chimpanzees, many colorful birds, reptiles like pythons, crocodiles, hippopotamus, elephants and wild buffaloes are also seen. Most of the people here live in village people, most of the people. They are Bantu speaking Negroes of different tribes. Language is Bantu. The Pygmies are a primitive and native tribe of Congo region. And the original people are the Pygmies. Primitive, that is, from the early age. They still live by hunting and fishing and lead a nomadic life in the dense forest. Nomad means people of a community move one place to other with animal. Nomadic life they lead. Their reddish brown skin enable them to adapt to their surroundings, and this acts as a camouflage in the forest. Their appearance with reddish brown skin adapt with the forest environment. Adapt means to adjust with the situation, and what is camouflage meaning is a way of hiding so that looks like part of surroundings. That is a camouflage. Suppose some animal, if they see any people in the forest, the animal will think that that is not a man or woman, and they hide. Their appearance make them hidden in the environment. Camouflage meaning a way of hiding so that looks like a part of surroundings. More about this reason. Practice of shifting cultivation They shift their cultivation one place to other place. Sometimes they cut forest and on the bare land they start cultivation, and when the fertility reduces, they shift to other place. Crops, cassava, staple food, that is main food there. Rice, millets, vegetables are also available. Cash crops, coffee, coca, cotton, groundnuts and palm. What is cash crops? Cash crops, crop produced for commercial value rather than own use. That is exported. These coffee, coca, cotton, groundnuts are exported. Rubber grows naturally. In the forest, rubber grows naturally, but tapping of latex is not developed. Technology of tapping latex not yet developed. Tapping means drawing out juice or sap from bark of the tree. Latex means milky sap juice, white color. You can see in the picture tapping of latex. The region of Congo Basin has rich mineral resources like copper, cobalt, manganese and tin. Most of income comes from export of these minerals. Minerals are exported and they earn money from that. This region has deposit of gold and diamonds also. Industries, textiles, petroleum products, tobacco, food processing are the industries there. Major cities, Kinshasa, capital of Democratic Republic of Congo. Lubumbashi, another city. Brazzaville, capital of Republic of Congo. There are two Congos there. One is Democratic Republic of Congo and other is capital of Republic of Congo. And other city, Matadi. Roads and rail transport are only in main cities. In the village or in the forest, there are no roads, rail. Chief means of transport is by river. The Congo River is the main waterway. Here the Congo River you see and the ship is there on. Here is your home assignment. Number 1. In an outline map of the world, show the equatorial forest regions. In page number 23 of your textbook, it is there on and you can follow that page. Number 2. Write short notes on the Congo tropical forest region. Significant specialities only and already discussed in this text. However, keep safety of your own in this situation and family members. We will meet soon. We will overcome the situation. Thank you.